How many laps should I do?
You don't have to do just as many as you feel like you're actually gaining time. There's not a ton of fuel in there, so don't do more than 5.
Okay. Should I be good on like the second or third lap?
Second or third, but you're coming in slow.
Okay.
So don't try to scrub them. Just try to push to the limit every single time until it gets up to 10.
Okay.
It's not.
Well,
You break 48?
I wrestled the bull.
So hold on. Let's everybody guess. What I did 47.7.
Hold on.
I know what it was.
I did 47.7 in my head.
I already looked at it.
I know. I'm saying.
I don't know. I thought
I definitely, so I know that I have a second faster in me because I never did
The tires still pretty okay? They got up to.
They were fine.
Yeah. Okay. I say 47.7. You said. Okay.
I don't know.
He did a 48.0 the last
Sliding on
time.
that corner, so
I know.
he's looking pretty fast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 47.3. 47.2.
Oh! 46.9. 46.9.
Damn!
I told him.
Hey, I expected you. Let's go. I told you guys.
I told you I was going to get 46. I said that he's learning how to drive, and you actually were hitting.
No, you looked a lot
three.
faster on that,
Yeah.
especially on these first three.
You carry all of a sudden, you're carrying momentum because you're sliding.
I couldn't see anything through.
I know.
That fucking head was just like,